Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode. I hope you all enjoyed the previous session. For those who are seeing me for the first time, welcome to my channel Studios. This is a place where you will find simple, clear and friendly explanation of accounting concepts starting from the basics and moving all the way to the advanced topics. My aim is to make accounting easy to understand for students, professionals or anyone who wants to learn in a practical and stress-free way. Here I will be sharing short focused videos that cover concepts, examples and problem solving tips that make your learning journey effortless. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification so you never miss a new upload. In the previous session, we discussed the meaning and definition of accounting, along with its advantages, limitations, functions and objectives, all of which forms the basic concepts of accounting. In this video, it provides a comprehensive overview of fundamentals of accounting concepts, principles and practices. Users of accounting informations. Accounting information is used by many people who are connected to a business in different ways, mainly split into two, internal and external users. Internal users. Inside the business, owners and managers depends on this information to understand how well the business is performing and to make decisions about planning, budgeting and improving operations. Employees also look at the accounting information to know whether the business is stable, whether their jobs are secure and whether they may receive bonus or salary increase. Outside the business, investors and shareholders uses accounting information to judge whether the company is worth investing in. Banks and lenders rely on it to decide whether the business can repay loans. Governmental authorities uses it to check taxes and compliances. Even customers and suppliers study this information to understand whether the business is dependable and financially strong. In short, accounting information works like a health report of the business that different people read for different needs. Move on to the next topic, bookkeeping and accounting. Bookkeeping and accounting may look similar, but they serve different purposes. Bookkeeping is simply the process of recording every financial transaction that happens in a business, like writing in a daily diary. It includes noting down sales, purchases, receipts and payments. Accounting goes a step further. After the bookkeeping records are complete, accounting analyzes, interprets and summarizes them. It converts raw data into meaningful financial statements such as P&L account and balance sheet. Accounting helps people to understand what the numbers actually mean, whether the business is making profit, where the money is going, what decisions should be taken, and how the business can grow. So, while bookkeeping captures the information, accounting explains it. Next topic, branches of accounting. Accounting has different branches because business have different needs. It includes financial accounting, tax accounting, auditing, management accounting, cost accounting, governmental accounting, forensic accounting. First one, financial accounting. Focus on preparing reports such as P&L statements and balance sheet that show overall performance of the business. Tax accounting concentrate on preparing and filing taxes, ensure the business follows all tax rules. Auditing involves checking the accounts to ensure they are accurate, reliable and free from errors and fraud. Management accounting. It provides internal reports and insights that help managers make decisions about pricing, budgeting, investments and daily operations. Cost accounting. It deals with calculating the cost of producing goods or services, helping the business control the expenses and improve overall efficiency. Governmental accounting. It deals with how public money is recorded and uses in a government departments. Forensic accounting. Accounting is used to investigate financial crimes and disputes. Each branch has unique role, but together they help a business understand, control and explain its financial activities.